Hello. Today we got our hands on a Brothers War bundle gift edition. This one comes with, looks like several set packs and a collector booster box, as well as some additional items. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what wonders we can get. Of course, you get this nice little box, as well as some extra art of Optimus Prime and Urza. Yeah. Open this up. For packs. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 set boosters and a collector booster. Very nice. Then we got the lands, popular formats, some extra information, a really big spin down life counter with the Transformer / Decepticon. Or no? Alright. So, bro gift, regular bundle, right? These are the regular lands. Various lands. Premium bundle. You can already feel it's a little crinkled, huh? Alright. See how they're already bent a little bit. Ooh, Optimus Prime Hero. Mother of Urza and Mishra. Autobot Leader. Shiny Lands. Huzzah. Okay. So we're going to start out with the full teas, right? We'll do the set boosters, and then we'll do the collector booster. So pack 1 of the set booster. Art. So we get the swamp. Whoop. Dr. Mechanic. The Thresher. It's always a fun one. I really enjoyed drafting this and doing sealed on this. Ashnod, the Flesh Mechanist. Therian Vigil. It's pack 1. Nothing too exciting there, other than Ashnod. Enjoyed Ashnod's Altar in several commander decks. Ooh, now that's pretty. Third Path Servant. Yeah, doing the soldier decks. Maze Mine Tome. It's always a fun one. Ooh, yeah. Dome someone with 50 life, baby. I've been wanting one of those. So that's nice to get. I love these tokens. These should be in every, I don't know, every pack at least. Pack 3. It's good art. Wasteful arts. Swiftfoot Boots. Woohoo! Careless Command. Ooh, that's pretty. Cloud Key, man. And a Power Stone token. Whew, good pack so far. I'm happy. Love Brothers War. Let me know how you felt about Brothers War as well. If you got to do any drafts or sealed or tournaments. I always love when they, bringing back older cards as a big old set like they did in Strixhaven, and they're going to do in the new Wilds of Eldraine set with enchantments. Sardian Avenger, Goblin, woo. Howling Mine, yeah, like just getting... Love Howling Mine. Stasis Coffin. Phalanx Vega. Elephant Grass. Nice. Nice. Loving these packs. Like even the stuff that isn't the greatest, you're just like, yay. Ooh, pretty. I love these art cards. I just wish, like, someone needs to design something for you to hang on the wall that's the exact amount per each set, right? I'd buy one of those and, instead of getting like a sheet of Magic cards, you get that. It gives you a reason to collect all the art cards. Chromatic Star. Skitterbeam Battalion. Killzone Acrobat in foil. Woo! What the heck? That's a card from the list. Wow. That's not something I was expecting. Tiamat. Ugh. It's time to make a commander deck, right? Ooh. That's an unexpected little bonus. Sorry about that. Alright, another art card. Ooh, foil swamp. Not crinkled. Mishra's Bauble. Self-assembler. Steel Seraph. It's always fun to whip those out. Spotter Thopter in foil. And a Power Stone token. Whew. Tiamat. Sorry. Another great art card. The Defenders decks, right? Building a whole bunch of things with Defenders and getting bonuses, milling someone out. Such an interesting build for that. Well of Lost Dreams. Nice. Argoth. Nice. Ooh, shiny synchronized. And another token. And the last set boosters. And then we get to pop open that collector booster. I'm excited. I mean, we've already gotten some nice hits. Good value. Carrion Locust. Whoop. Steel Exemplar. Rewarding you for monocolor. Millstone. Another Well of Dreams. Thran Spider. Woo. Shiny Thopter Architect. And an Elemental. Very nice. That was it for the set boosters. That was some pretty good hits there. Collector booster. Come on, baby. No Mishras or Urzas. Tower Worker. Always love this foil. Juggernaut. Unit. Mine Worker. Alloy. Ooh. Let me some full art. Oh, hey, there you go. Battlefield Forge. Hey, we were complaining about it. I knew if we complained about it. Here's an Urza from the Like the commander deck, right? Ivory Tower, so pretty. Bobble. Another Howling Mine. Whoop. Blaster, the Combat DJ. Key to the City. Nice, pretty. Ooh, Saheeli. And a Power Stone. That's nice. Well, there you go. That was our Brothers War bundle gift edition opening. Thank you so much for watching. Please feel free to like, share, subscribe. Subscribing is really helpful. Also, always welcome to positive feedback on how I can make these a little bit more interesting. We're learning the software, so that'll be great. And have a wonderful day and just enjoy life. Thanks.